this is a trade recap from December 19th, 2018. Uploading a little late, but oh well. So the first thing I want to talk about are the trades that I take. So the first trade I take is at 6:46 a.m. So pay attention to the time down here. Yeah, so I go, this is a 4-tick winner. So I'm in the trade for a good while, almost like 14 minutes. So I go along, let me see why I go along. Okay, so it opened, and it just went long and long, so you can see the openings here. Now it's up there, and they had tried to break down to this resistance level. So yeah, go in, go along right there, set my stop loss. Yeah, I'm in the trade for quite a few minutes, for about 14 minutes. Or 13 minutes, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm going to fast forward this a bit, and so let's see what happens. And it didn't really ever back tick against me. It goes up, and 5 ticks in the money, and it just keeps staying at that price level. So at this point, I'm in the trade for another few minutes. And it never goes against me. At this point, I just want to get out because I get impatient. And it comes back down. Yeah, so right here, boom. And at this point, I just realized that this resistance level is holding up pretty well. And then it didn't really go up to this price level too often. It most likely got to here, and most often got to here. So that's why I decided to get out. And you can see like the Nasdaq's not falling off. Sellers aren't hitting back very hard. And I'm just waiting to get hit right here. And boom, I get filled. So I get filled in for a nice little 4-tick winner, nothing crazy. And so the next trade I take, it's about another 20 minutes from here. So the good thing I really want to do, because it comes out and I get back in the trade. And it ticked down, so you see here, kind of pulled off. The Nasdaq came all the way down. So yeah, come here. So you see this? See, the Nasdaq was all the way up there. It's all the way up here. And then 20 minutes later, it falls back. And it's a trap. And people think it's going to go short. They go long. They go along there because I want to get the bottom of the range. And I'm in this trade itself for 10 minutes. And I want to get out around here, as I say, just because this has been a pretty strong resistance level. Barely hitting back fast into here. Only back tick something too much. And see, this was me really confident that this was going to pull it the other way, and I keep going down. And then you can see over here the Nasdaq's hitting over pretty solid. They're hitting into the bids, into the offers fast. We're going to fast forward this a bit, and then boom, we see the Nasdaq start to take off slowly but surely. Starts to break the bottom of the range, starts to go to the mid range. Yeah, it doesn't backtick me. It doesn't backtick against me more than 1 or 2 ticks, which is ideal. So good risk to reward ratio. And yeah, then this is when I know I'm good, because then the Nasdaq jumps up here. Yeah, boom, starts to tick up. Even though this is not moving up, this is moving up. So this is giving me a clue. So let's fast forward again, and then you see it jumps up another few ticks, and then this one I know I'm making some money. And it creeps back down, but I'm not really worried about it because the Nasdaq's not falling back too much. Bam, look, it keeps going. The Nasdaq, there I feel, look. We got out right at that resistance level. That's pushing up. I get filled, and I could have gotten another tick there, which is a little annoying. Got out a little early. You see Nasdaq's falling off. The EMA is not pushing into this new price level that we want. So yeah, I could have got one more tick, but like I knew it would get up to here. This is where the cap has been. So I could have got filled easily. And the Nasdaq's still pushing up. Right, so the first missed opportunity I want to talk about is at 7:34, and I wanted to go see the Nasdaq's pumping up, but the micro EMA does not. And I could have gone short there, and I'm waiting to go short. They're trying to crack the highs, but these are pretty well defended by the buyers. Yeah, see, and I missed my order. And don't get filled where I want. Don't get filled there, and it ticks down. I'm not gonna keep chasing it. So I should have got filled there, and then look, boom, it goes down to the mid range. I could have actually. That's not too much of a missed opportunity. I could have only got like 3 or 4 ticks, and yeah, that's about it. I don't think they ever go. They don't crack. Oh yeah, they try to crack the highs, but not much. So the rest of the day is just kind of like lounging around. Oh no, there you go. See, that was annoying. I could have gone long around here and let the overnight heights get crushed, but I pulled out. It didn't seem like this resistance level was holding up for the majority of the morning, so there was a lot of momentum to get in front of. So you see, look at here, 1700. They offer another 1400 down here on the bid. And then yeah, they come. I'm not sure what keeps happening here. Then they finally get like a new level, and then it starts to establish a new range. So at this point, I just get out of the trade, and yeah. So yeah, I made 2 trades there, net of 12 ticks, so not too bad of a morning. As always, guys, please comment, subscribe, share the page with your friends, and follow traders. If you guys have any questions or suggestions about anything, let me know. Happy trading, happy holidays. See you guys in the new year.